Hello. In today's video, I'll be doing a first impressions and unboxing of Double Rhythm's Pumpkin Red 6-piece gel polish set. If you want to hear my thoughts and see what's inside, stay tuned. So I'm already familiar with Double Rhythm as I have been using them for quite a while. In particular, their off-white, which is this one. I particularly love it. I actually have to get another bottle. And then I also have another one of their colors, which is this dark chocolate. One moment, my hands are slippery. I also have this chocolate color, which is A1445. And that's how that looks. So I wanted to try their sets, and I saw that they had 6-piece sets of this same size, which is really nice. So I decided to get the pumpkin red set. Here is how it looks. Pumpkin red, 0.5 ounce, 6 pieces. And on the back, it has some directions, manufacturer, all of those goodies. And there's a shelf life. Once it's out of the box, here is what you have. These are the instructions right here. Double Rhythm product method. Here are your instructions. You also get testing results. So this is a service summary. This is actually from March of 2025, so it's fairly recent. And it's just a safety data sheet. I already took a sneak peek a little bit, and this is the first thing that I see that I'm already excited for that makes this just impressive, honestly, and saves a lot of time. You get your own swatch card. They already pre-swatch it for you. And then you have your 6 colors as well as the screw for the nail color stand. So already this is my favorite part. You have all of the colors swatched with a glossy, and this is how they would all look matte. Saves me a lot of time and is greatly appreciated. It is also pretty, so if you are someone that is displaying this for your clients to pick out colors, you can beautifully display it. And it is hard and good quality. It's not going to break easily. It's probably made out of acrylic. And then you have your bottles, which is the same as the other colors, which is 15 ml. Here you go. This one's actually A1448. Oh, okay. So this one actually comes before the other. The only thing that I will say, I did kind of pre-look through these. The only thing that I don't like about it is that this comes off. I don't know if that's intentional. It is not my favorite part about their packaging. That's the only flaw I have about Double Rhythm's packaging. And I noticed that it happens with all of the sets. I actually glued this one down, but typically this gold part pops off. Again, I don't know if that is intentional. If you don't want to display a name, you can easily take it off and then you just have the color bottles. I am fascinated as to why that happens. But outside of that, this is absolutely gorgeous. I do have 2 sets that I want to use with these colors, hence why I picked out this particular set. So please, I may put it in this video continuing depending upon how long this is, or it may be in the next video. So please stay tuned while I demonstrate how to use these beautiful colors. One last thing, I'm going to show you how some of them look in the bottle. So this is A1448. That is pretty. And compared to here, it is pretty close. Like, that is the color. So I like that. Here is A1500, and again, it does come off. But the color is absolutely gorgeous and creamy. A501, more of a terracotta range. A1378, more of a bright maroon, bright burgundy, I would call it. Ooh. A1502, a deeper maroon, gorgeous, very fall. Last but not least, A1487, which is like a deep black cherry wine color that is very popular for this time of year. Gorgeous. Very excited to create with these colors. And you get all of these colors, I believe, this particular set, because I know they change prices depending upon if it's a cat eye or if it's their regular opaque colors. This one was actually $25.99, so $26, about $4 per bottle, which is not bad at all. I believe one of these by themselves, I can double check it and I'll notate it. I believe one of these can be about $6 or $7, and it's the same price. So sometimes, depending upon what the color palette is that you need, it would be a better fit to get the sets instead of individuals. But again, it depends upon what you need in your collection. I did need some oranges, so please stay tuned for our next creation using these. I also got another refill of my favorite off-white polish. Again, same thing with the bottle. This part comes off really quickly, but it's just my favorite off-white. Very pigmented. Last but not least, I got another set. This one's the Glass Mermaid Cat Eye set, also from Double Rhythm. It comes in this pretty much the same packaging as before. I did do a sneak peek and get rid of some parts. Again, with the sample card, with display card, which I also like. I got this one in particular because, as you know, pretty soon Wicked for Good will be in theaters, and there are some colors in here when I saw this set that I think would be really good for some nails. Like this green over here, I don't know if it's picking up on the video, but it kind of shifts a little pink. And then you have, so that's like the Elphaba and Glinda right there. Then you have a pink for Glinda. Then like these two kind of remind me of her new dress. So when I saw this online, I came up with a couple of ideas, so I purchased this set. As with the pumpkin red, it also comes with tests, safety data sheet, as well as a cat eye DIY instructions. At the top here, you still have the screw for the display card, and they also give you a little mini magnet right here. Here are the bottles. I like this one because it's a little bit of an ombre, which is nice. Same size as the off-white polish. Again, this part comes off. So let's see how this one actually looks. Ooh, yeah, that's so pretty. Yeah, I can see the little, it's very faint, but it's like this really pretty slight shift of pink. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with that one. Let me look at this purple. Kind of want to do like an ombre nail with the purple and the blue in this set and see how that looks. So there will be a tutorial coming soon using these polishes. This color, this is MC1174. This looks a lot like Glinda's new dress. Ooh, wow, that is pretty. That is really pretty. Let's check out these last two, because I mean, like, I got it honestly because of these four. But we also have this really pretty kind of orangey color, kind of salmon orangey. Ooh, put it back. Last but not least, this more goldish champagne color. Ooh, that's pretty. So yes, I will also be using this in a set coming up very soon. In conclusion, I'm excited to play around with these colors. Like I said, I do want to do a Wicked inspired set with the Glass Mermaids. This is probably going to be some Thanksgiving nail design using these colors. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do with this. So please be on the lookout for those 2 videos. And until next time, bye.